So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. Guys, my name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert. I hope you guys are doing great and everything is working fine on your side guys, and welcome back to the one brand new session conducted by Olymptrade broker. I hope everything is going good on your side. You are making money, you are able to make some good trades on the platform. Okay. Mr. Munaji, hi, hello. I hope you are doing good. So, guys, as you guys have already checked the description that which strategy we are going to talk about. So, coincidentally, today the name of the strategy and the name is Friday. So, during this session, just a overview that how we are going to conduct this session. So, we will be talking about the strategy, how we can apply it, how we can use it. If you haven't reached to that specific level where that strategy is unlocked, nothing to worry about that one. I'll teach you that how you can apply it manually. Apart from that, there are a couple of more important things, some topics like risk management, money management, market news, market updates. So I'll be talking about those things also. And the main thing, comment section, as you can see, already open for you guys. So if you will find any difficulties, any question, any doubts, feel free to write over there. I'll keep an eye on that and I'll try to cover all the comments, all your doubts, considering that thing, because see, we people are gathering together just to help you in your trading skills. So if you will be finding any difficulties, feel free to write over there. And before proceeding ahead, guys, a small request. I just need a small confirmation from you guys. If my audio and video is clear to you guys, make sure you mention in the comment section. We will hardly wait for next 2 minutes and then we will kick off the session. We will be talking about everything, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, guys, if you're new to the channel, new to the family, make sure you subscribe the channel, support the channel and be the part of the family. So whenever we will be coming live, you will be getting an update. Abhinav Singh ji, hello. How are you? I hope you have recovered a couple of bucks, because last time when we had a conversation, you were struggling with some because of some over trading. So I hope things are better now. Guys, make sure you mention in the comment section that how your trading is going on. If you are making profit, good to know. But in case if you are not able to make, you are facing any difficulties, make sure you mention in the comment section. Take full benefit of this opportunity. I am here to help you, so don't feel hesitate. Write whatever comments you have, whatever the difficulties you are facing when you are taking trade. So okay, so there is a comment from Abhinav. Sorry sir, I was unable to connect to you in the last session because I was not aware that you also take English session. Generally I connect to you in Hindi. Abhinav ji, like most of the time I am coming live on Tuesdays, but sometime, like if there is a availability, then I am coming live for these slots also, like on English as well. But for Tuesdays I am fixed, but for another days it's not sure. Like sometime I am coming, sometime I have a couple of colleagues, those who are also conducting. But I request you, I'll suggest you try to connect with all the analysts, so you will be getting point of view for from all the 4 analysts, those who are coming live. I'm sure you will be getting a lot of information from them also. So try to get spare some time, try to get in touch with them also. Okay, so Mr. Munna ji, there is a comment. So today I had a loss of 98,000, but after covering it, now my loss is reduced to 18,000 rupees. Sir, I am glad that you have recovered a handsome amount, but I am so sorry to hear that, like at one place you have faced that big loss. So try to work on these things, like try to avoid such scenarios that when you will touch that much big amount. Just stay connected. I'll try to give you one example, so that will help you, that in case if any day is not going good, so you will be able to still save some extra bucks, which will help you to trade on the next day. Okay guys, without wasting any time, let's kick off the session. So my name is Kunal Kapoor. I am welcoming you again. I am the financial expert from the Olymptrade broker. We are conducting these sessions every Tuesday and Thursday in Hindi, every Wednesday and Friday in English. Hindi timing is going to be 7 to 8. English timing is going to be 6:30 to 7:30 IST. So today the name of the strategy, as we have already mentioned, is Friday. So we will be talking about that one. The screen which is visible to you guys, that is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. So there is a possibility that a few of my friends, they are using the application in their mobile, or they might be using the browser version. So nothing to worry about, everything is available to each one of you. There is a possibility that the button might be available here and there, but all the benefits, all the features, everything is available to everyone. So first we will start how we can apply the strategy. As you can see, there are 3 buttons. The third one is the technical analysis in the shape of alphabet A. I'll click on this button. My friend, those who are using application version in their mobile, the same button is going to be visible at this place. On the top, they can see their account balance. Just below that there is the name of the asset. Just write to that, guys. The same button is going to be there. Click on that one. Open the strategy button, and then we will scroll a bit, and here we go. We can see the name of the strategy is Friday. These 2 green lines, they are indicating that this is a strategy for advanced level. It doesn't mean that only advanced level should use it, or they can use it. Expert cart or starter, they cannot use the strategy. I'll tell them everything that how they can use also if that strategy is not visible or open to you. First we'll talk about what is visible there. Second information is visible as this can be used on FTT, fixed time trading mode, and forex trading mode. I'll click on the strategy, and boom, here we go. A small video description that how you can use this strategy in case in future whenever you want to revise something. If you miss something, then this is the best place. You can revise from here. Here you can see a bit information about that, how the strategy works, what are the indicator or oscillator, whatever we are using in it, how you can try to pick some signals. Right now no need to watch that video because I am here to guide you, so nothing to worry about that one. At this place we can see that we are using one indicator. It's mentioned as 3 indicator, but as you can see the name, it's EMA. So the name of the indicator is same, so it's a one indicator, but we are going to use it with 3 different frequencies. Once I click on the enable strategy, here we go. So you can see that the strategy has been already applied on the chart. Now this piece of information for my friend, those who have reached on those haven't reached on the advanced level and the strategy is still locked for them, guys, make sure you take a screenshot of this thing. The 3 frequencies which we are going to use with EMA, the first one is 5, second 13, and the third one is 55. Very easy to apply manually also. Click on the same button, technical analysis. This is going to be the screen which is visible to you. So just go to the search, type EMA, click on the EMA button. Now why I have asked you to take the screenshot, because you have to alter the frequency manually. So click on this, you can adjust it with the plus minus also, or you can just type it. And then one more request, guys, if you are applying it manually, make sure you change the color also, because we are going to take the signals on the basis of the color. I'll explain how it works, nothing to worry about, no need to get confused, but still if any doubt will be there, make sure you mention in the comment section. Guys, keep on commenting into the comment section. I will hardly take 1 or 2 more minutes. I'll explain the strategy, how it works, then I'll come to the comment section, and after that we will do some action. Okay, so guys, I hope you got to know that how you can apply it manually. One by one you will apply EMA 3 times. The first one will is going to be with 5 frequencies, the second one with the 13, and the third one with the 55. Now the major part where you have to be 100% or 200% focused, how this strategy work. I'll show you a sit where we can see more clear signals. Okay. Or just let's take the example of this one. So guys, as you can see that the EMA 5, the purple line, that is more aggressively moving as compared to the 13, and 13 is moving more aggressively as compared to the 55. Like if I zoom out a bit, as you can see that 55 came from this place, moved to this direction, and only that much fluctuation. In 13 that was a bit more, but in 5 there is a lot of fluctuations we can see. So it's clearly visible that the EMA 5 is constantly moving or more aggressively moving as compared to these two. So this is the line, this is the EMA which is going to generate signal for us. How? Whenever there is going to be an intersection of any two lines with this EMA 5, any of these line, just suppose, like I'll clarify again, whenever there is an intersection of EMA 5, whether it is going to be with 13 or 55 or both of them together or one by one, whichever direction the EMA is intersecting, that is going to be, and that can be the trend into the market. Here you can see that the intersection was in the downward direction, and we can see the trend, the market was going into the downward. Here we can see there was a second signal, the intersection completed at this place. On the second candle, if we would have opened a trade, again market into the downward direction. I'll give you some example for the upward also. Here we go. We can see that there was an intersection between 5 and 13 and market went into the upward. 5 and 55, again there is a. Guys, suggested time frame for this strategy is going to be 2 to 4 candles. Why I'm saying candles? So if the chart time frame is 1 minute, then the trade time is going to be 2, 3 or 4 minutes. If you are going to increase the time from 1 to 5 minutes, then of course you can calculate as it is. Why I'm saying candle? Because if I say 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute or 5 minutes, then that might be confusing for you guys when you will be opening a chart time frame for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, because you will think that if I would have if I have opened a chart time frame for 10 minutes, then how I can take a trade for 5 minutes. So we will count it with the help of candles. Now again, there might be a question in some of the people, they might be having a doubt that, sir, 2, 3, 4, then which one is the best one? So we will be taking a help of the back testing. What we will be doing before starting our day, just suppose if I am starting my day at 11 a.m. IST, so I'll start observing the market at least 15 minutes before, and then I'll make a chart. I'll try to take some assumption that if I would have opened a trade at this place, at this place, at this place, at this place, then if I would have opened a trade for 2 minutes, what was the result? 3 minutes, what was the result? 4 minutes, what was the result? Just suppose I have made a chart, I tried to conclude 20 trades in each time frame, and I came to conclusion that if I would have opened trade with 2 minutes, then there was around 14 or 16 trades which could go into the positive side. With 3 minutes, there was a possibility of only 12. With 4 minutes, there was a possibility of 30. So I know that the weightage is high with 2 minutes. So 2 minutes is going to be my trade time frame. Guys, I hope everything is clear to you guys. If you have any doubt, start commenting in the comment section. I am coming to the comment section now. Okay. So Abhinavji is saying, yes sir, I was in extreme loss, but by your guidance I am able to make recovery a small amount. I am happy to know that, sir. Yes sir, in previous session I connected with Karmeet ma'am, if I am not wrong with the name. Sir, it's not Karajit, it's Karmeet. And sir, there was a doubt in my mind. that today after 3, is there anything happened in the financial market, because I was using Rodi and I made some continuous loss. Sir, I'm not sure, like I haven't checked the economic calendar today, but I'll try to have a look on that, because MACD is continuously moving just near the line and I have taken some wrong trades. Sir, see, it's not only about like whenever some data is coming, because there is a possibility at 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time European market is also opening, so that could be the reason that there was a consolidation. So whenever there is a consolidation, avoid trading into the market. You can find this consolidation period from in two ways. If the MACD is just keep on moving just near the base level, or the candles are flat, like I'll just show you some examples. Like see, this is a time like when there was a small consolidation, or I'll give you a better example, like whenever there is a sideways trend, market is not moving either in bullish side or in the bearish side, it's just moving in the sideways, that is the consolidation time. So try to avoid trading in that one. Nobody is going to suggest you that you should trade in that. Okay, now I recovered some amount. Now I just need 2 continuous right trade to touch my required amount for today. I am happy to know that, sir, like you are that much close. It's great. Stay calm. I know now there is going to be a pressure in your mind that it's hardly 2 trades that you need to take in a positive side. So stay calm. Don't get pressurized. Still, there is a lot of time to go. So make sure you're not under a pressure. It's completely fine in case if you are not able to achieve those 2 successful trades, still everything is going to be fine. Market is going to open again tomorrow also. So do not get panic. Do not take a trade in hurry. Okay, Akpak ji is saying, hello sir, I found a strategy which is working 10 trades out of 12 to 15 with 3-step martingale. Now could you please help me? How can I trade with this setup to become profitable? Sir, like do you want to know about that, how we can use the martingale? Can you just please explain your question? So I'll be talking about that one, but I am happy to know that like you found a strategy which is giving you great success rate, so good to know. And due to my worst financial condition, I am now in the condition that I need to withdraw the deposit money on the daily basis in Olymptrade because of 2 reasons. First, I am having my last 700 with me and it's not a penny more to this, and I need a minimum 500 in my bank account to avoid penalties every day. Sir, I completely understand your situation. Don't worry, stay calm, stay focused, and it's completely fine. If you want to withdraw, that is completely fine. You can withdraw it. That's your money. It's your call. Because I can't keep money on my Olymptrade trial for a longer more than I completely understand, sir. Nothing. Yes, clear, sir. All out. Great, Mr. Munna. Abhinav ji, currently I need to withdraw 800 from the Olymptrade account. Currently I am at 727. I want to make it 800 today. So now I am able to find consolidation in chart, but I am not able to find when it is happening in a live time. Sir, see, whenever you are going to take a trade, before executing the trade, just try to check at least minimum to minimum 10 previous candles. If I'll take an example at this place, we will count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. As you can see that how much volatility or how much trend was there, not that much. 2 green, 1 red, 1 green, 2 red, 1 green, 2 red, 1 green, 2 red. So you can see that even though there was a signal from the EMA 5, still I am not executing any trade. Why? Because we can see that there was a consolidation going into the market. Once you will be able to see that 4 or 5 candles are there in a specific direction, or any chart pattern, any candle pattern you find, or you find that like there was a hammer candle, or there was a hanging man candle, or any shooting star candle, and after that the break even point that is broke, that has been covered by the next coming candle, then you can execute the trade. Or the best, if you find that it's not going good, the consolidation is keep on going there, try to avoid getting into the market. And most of the time, it's not like it's always, but most of the time you will be able to see these type of trends whenever there is whenever the next market is about to open. So as I have already discussed in the previous session also, the first market Asian time 9 to 9:15 is the time when Asian market is opening up. I am talking about the Indian Standard Time, as per the Indian Standard Time. The second, when the London session is opening up, that is at 3 p.m. IST. And the third one is US market New York session open up at 7 p.m. So I hope everything is clear. Now we will do some action, and after that I will again come back to the comment section. So if you will be having any doubt, feel free to write over there. Okay, so guys, before coming to the action, to the live trading, some important points. This market, this financial market, this is full of risk. There is a possibility of partial or 100% loss. So make sure you are well aware about everything. You are well educated, well trained, and well practiced. Before taking any trade, try to grab a hold on the things, and after that start your trading journey. First thing. Second thing, even though this session is going to be live, but there is going to be a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open at 6:51 IST, that will be visible to you at 6:51.30 second or 6:52. So please guys, avoid copy trading, because there is a huge chance that the position which you are going to open along with me, that might be delayed by some second, and that can lead to some negative results. So please avoid copy trading. And the third thing, all the trades which I am going to take, everything is depending on my experience, my practice, which I have done in the past. So I am going to be responsible for everything, whatever is going to happen on my account. Okay, so now time is for some live trading. In case guys, if you will find any signal, anything in the comment on the charts, you can mention in the comment section. Of course, I am not going to share my profit with you guys, but at least you will be getting information that how things are working on, and I will be getting a confirmation that you are able to understand the strategy. Okay, so let's hunt for a signal, and then we will execute a trade for $10. We will start with $10. I will execute hardly 2 to 3 trades, and then I will come back to the comment section. Okay, so guys, see, this is also one of the example of consolidation market. If I'll see, or you can observe, it's almost flat. It's not that much high or not that much low, but now there is a possibility that a trend will start, and the trade we will always execute once the confirmation from the signal is there. It's confirmed signal. It's not like that it will be there, it can be there, it should be there. It has to be there, then I'll be taking a trade. There was a signal, I didn't execute the trade. Reason, I have observed a couple of previous candle, and I found that the market is not that much trending. There is a possibility that the market will go up, but still, rather than taking a risky trade which can lead to a negative balance, I'll prefer to stay calm. I'll prefer to wait, and then I will take a trade, because avoiding a negative trade is also your profit, guys. You will say that it's my money, it's still with me. That is your profit, that is your money, and that is still with you. So you can invest it when there is a proper signal. So try to avoid taking trades on some dicey signals or a place when you are not sure. Okay, so here we go. We executed our first trade. So there was a confirmation, there was a signal formed with the help of EMA 5. It intersected EMA 13. Although we can see that there is a market reversal, but nothing to worry about. We'll see that how does that go. Okay, let's look for another signal. Guys, I'll keep on executing trades back to back, because I have to hunt as many signals I can. just to give you examples, just to guide you, but you should not follow the same practice, because once the trade is executed, you will be able to see the result, that whether that was positive or negative. Then you will come to the conclusion that whether you need to use your risk management or money management, because it's not like that you are supposed to take the trade with the same amount. You have to decrease it or increase it. There is a lot of calculation which you have to take. So once the trade is executed, once the result is there, then calculate, then take the next trade. If you want to talk about that one, if you need some information about that, make sure you write into the comment section. Okay, so yes sir, I mean, if I lost a single trade with 3 steps martingale, how should I proceed next? See Akbak ji, for this one I'll suggest, I believe that we had a conversation in the past also, so I have discussed that how I am using my martingale. I'm not doubling up the amount, I'm just keep on increasing it a bit, just to save some extra bucks. So in your case, as per your question, as per my experience or the way which I am using the martingale, so what I will be doing, just suppose if my 3 trades are continuously in the negative side, so of course there is some issue with the market, or there is some issue with my strategy, or anything could be there. So rather than taking a fourth trade with a more higher amount, I will again start either with the first step. Just suppose the first trade I took with $10, second with the $12, and the third one with the $25. So again, either I will come and start with $10, or the best which I'll suggest, better to get a hold on trading, better to get a hold on market first. So you can also try to take couple of trades with $1 each. The reason behind it, I know you have faced a loss of somewhere around 40, 45 or $50. You want to recover it as soon as possible, but you will be able to recover only once when you have a strategy which is working properly. And how you can use it, how you can see it, whether that is working properly or not, by taking some trades. Now if you want to check something, like just a simple example, if you want to check that how much salt is there in your dish, you hardly need to take a single spoon to taste. You do not need to eat the whole dish. So that is how you do not need to invest everything just to check whether the market is going good or not. So try to either take a small spoon, means try to take start again trading with $1, take at least 4 to 5 trades, and then see whether everything is working fine or not. Or take a bowl, put the dish in that and have it. Mean to say, again start from the first, again start with $10, then $12, then $25. If things are going good, then start recovering, because see, only once you will be having a hold, only then you will be able to recover it. And second condition to recover your funds, and the most important thing which you should have to recover funds, is you should have some funds in your account. So now just imagine that I have started trading, I have wiped out my complete portfolio, and now market is fine, everything is working good. Doesn't matter for me now, because I don't have funds in my account. So always try to save some funds first. If you will be having funds, only then you will be able to invest. Now again, some traders, some of my friends, they will say, no, nothing to worry sir, once the market will get stable, I'll make a new deposit. That is the thing, like, where I believe that we should not focus on. Rather than making deposits again and again, the thing which I am always repeating, make one deposit and use it again and again. So Akpak ji, I hope everything is clear to you. Okay sir, start a trade. Okay, let's see guys how. Okay, so we took 3 trades. One trade was into the negative side and 2 were in the positive side. Let's see why the negative side was there. Okay dokie, so we have executed our trade at this level, and suddenly there was a market reversal. No problem. So we managed to make 2 profitable trades, so we will be taking some more trades and then I'll come back to the comments section. Okay, so here was a signal, but we are a bit late, so rather than jumping into a running train, we will try to wait and we will look for the another one. Okay, even though, see guys, I'll show you something. Okay, so here was the signal. If we would have opened a trade at this level, of course that was supposed to be into the positive side, but no problem. If we have missed something, that doesn't mean that it is not going to be there again. Of course we are going to get a lot of signals. As you can see that it's a very aggressive strategy, so many, like 3 EMAs are there, so we'll stay calm, nothing to worry. Okay, let's look for something more. And guys, one more additional tip I would love to give you guys, like this is as per my experience, like whenever I'm using this strategy, I came to know, like this is the conclusion which I have observed. You when you will try the same strategy, try to observe the same things. If you will be finding the same and you are able to make profit, I'm happy to know. But the observation which I have made is, I came to something, that whenever the intersection of this 5 EMA is intersecting this 13 and 55 back to back, that signal is a bit more stronger. You can see here also it intersected at this level and at this level, and now there is a upward direction. This is one tip, like which I have observed, I have found when I was using these strategies. The second one, in case if you think that this strategy is a bit slow or I am not able to make that much trades, and after practicing you will find one more thing. The first signal, like you will be able to get signals from with the help of this 5 EMA as well as the help of this 13 also. How 13? I'll tell you. Whenever this 13 EMA is going to intersect 55 at this level, or I'll show you more, like that was the consolidation time at this level. I'll show you a few more at this level. So you can see that there was a similar trend, which in whichever way the intersection was there, the trend was this something similar. So the basic one, you can use the 5 EMA. Once you have a hold on that one, then you can use 13 as well for your confirmation, for your second signal. And whenever the intersection of 5 EMA is back to back to 13 and 55, there is a possibility that signal might be a bit more stronger. But always try to focus on these things, always try to practice the things first, then come to a conclusion and then use that strategy in your way. Because whosoever is using whichever the strategy, they have their own condition, they have their own set of rules. So try to get yours and then make some extra money. Okay, so we can see that the market is a bit in consolidation. So rather than taking some negative trades, we will wait and we will keep on hunting for the signal, and I will take some comments. Okay sir, and sir, I was having more doubts when generally use Heiken-Ashi candle in rodeo, but I don't know why, but I feel that Heiken-Ashi is like it's tell average condition and Japanese candle gives live situation. Everything is same sir, it's just the way of representation. The codes are going to be same, everything is going to be same. If it is 6805.05 in Japanese, so in Heiken-Ashi also that is going to be the same. It's only the representation, of course, like that is also the calculation is a bit more different, and that is also on the basis of average. And you will find one thing, that whenever a Heiken-Ashi candle is closing and the second candle will always open from the mid of the previous candle. So just imagine, like if this is this one would be a Heiken-Ashi candle, if that will be closing, so this candle will be opening at this level, then it will go in the upward direction or downward direction. That is a different thing, but codes are always going to be same in Heikin-Ashi, bar or Japanese. It's just the representation. And in a Heikin-Ashi, of course, like the color of the candle is also giving you an indication that market can go into the specific direction. Sorry for today, sir, but I need to go out for now. I will view the session recorded. I hope you can understand. Sorry, no problem at all, sir. That is completely fine. I completely understand your urgency. Please go, stay safe, have fun, and of course, this session is going to be saved on the in the playlist, so you can watch it later. Completely fine. In till the time you don't have any question, any doubts, that is completely fine. YS is saying hi, sir. Hello. Yogesh Singh ji. Hello. Mr. Munna is saying gold is right, single up. Sir, I'm so sorry, I missed your comment, but risky is there. Okay, so this is the first signal which we receive, so we will take a risk, but with the help of a risk-free trade. Single is false. Akpak ji, yes sir, I'm happy to know that, sir, everything is clear. Yogesh Singh ji is saying very good signal in Mahajantram. Mahajantram, where is Mahajantram? Let me look for that Mahajantram. Make it fast, quick. Mahajantram. Sir, I don't think that there was a signal, but a bit earlier, like at this level, but right now there is no such signal. But nothing to worry. Like, I'm happy to see that you guys are participating in that one. You are trying to grasp the strategy, so it's good to know that. But if any doubt is there, guys, anything, Yogesh ji, if any doubt is there, feel free to write in the comment section. I'll be taking your comments, because I can see that I have covered almost everything, all the comments. So if any doubt is there, feel free to write. Thank you so much, sir. I made my capital above 800 and I made a withdrawal request. That's it for me in trading. Thank you so much. I'm happy to know that Abhinav, that you managed to make 2 more trades in the successful side, and you managed to make the amount which you want to. So withdrawal request, as you have already initiated, so relevant team will work on that one and they will get it processed. Okay, so we will keep moving, and we will keep on hunting for more signals. And guys, as you can see that I am keep on shuffling couple of assets. That the reason behind that, sometime like I am selecting some assets on the basis of my preference, and that preference is not like that out of the blue it's coming into my mind. It's sometimes it's based on the news, like if any news is going to be there in the market, so I'll select that asset. Second thing, it's based on the profitability also. So that's how I am selecting a couple of assets. But it's not like that if I am using this strategy on these only assets, so you can't be you cannot use this on any another asset, or you can't use apart from them. It's completely fine, you can use on any asset. As far as there is a signal, it's good to go. Okay, so guys, till the time we are hunting for this the signal, okay, let's see how our last trade. Very nice. So I got this confirmation from Mr. Munna ji. Okay, Mr. Munna ji, thank you so much for helping me to make $18.60, because we have taken a trade together. Of course, I'm the only one who made the money, but at least I'm happy to know that like you learned the strategy, you understand the strategy. I have taken a risk because the signal is was a bit old, but I was having a RFT, I was having a risk-free trade, so I used that one to avoid any sort of risk. And guys, one more information. So if you are new to the trading, if you are new to the platform, if you want to learn anything, of course you can join our YouTube channel, you can subscribe it. If you don't want to press the bell icon, it's completely fine, because we are conducting webinars in 8 different languages, so you will keep on getting the buzzes. But apart from that, at least subscribe it, so you will be getting the confirmation whenever we will be coming live. We took one trade a bit late, we could have opened this trade at this level, but nothing to worry, we already made a profit, good profit. So in case if something goes wrong, that's completely fine. But if we would have opened the trade at this level, we can see that like the market was in our side, but nothing to worry. Yeah, so I was talking about, if you're new to the trading, new to the platform, the first thing, you can subscribe the channel, stay in touch with us, be part of the family, and keep on getting the information. Second thing, the second way from where you can get some information, go to the help section, explore these two buttons, education and help center. How to make a deposit, how to make a withdrawal, verification, chart patterns, candle patterns, type of candles, like as we were talking about Heiken-Ashi, bar, Japanese candles, you will be getting all the information in these two tabs. So make sure you explore them. I can assure you that you will be getting a lot of information, guys, and that is going to be useful for you. And it's not like that everything is going to be so lengthy, everything is going to be crisp. Okay, so best Asia composite में signal. Let's see for Asia composite, Astro Asia. Let's apply RFD and take a trade in the upward direction. Of course, we could have opened a trade at this level. Aryan, thank you so much for the signal. Let's wait how it goes. Yeah, so guys, I was talking about these two buttons, so you can explore them. You will be getting a lot of information. Apart from that, if you want to go take some extra miles, you want to go beyond the limit, so apart from these two buttons and these YouTube sessions, there is one more source of information. There is a website called Investopedia. Go to the Investopedia website, explore that, go to the search section, go to the okay, so now we will be taking one trade on the basis of this 13, this one. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so the name of the website is Investopedia. Go to the search bar. For the beginners, at least look for price action, support, resistance. After that, you can dive into the chart patterns, candle patterns, and everything. And guys, trust me, if you have a good hold on support, resistance, if you are well practiced on that one, I can assure you that you will be able to see tremendous changes in your trading way, in your trading skills. You will be able to make some handsome trades, but only one condition: you should be well practiced on that one. I'll repeat the name of this strategy. It's Investopedia. Okay, so our last trade on gold, that was also into the positive side. Very nice. These two trades are good. Seems to be going into the negative side, but nothing to worry. If we would have opened a trade at that this step when RN gave the signal, of course that was supposed to be in the positive side, but let's see. Oh, very nice, very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much, RN. Thank you so much for the signal. Again, 17.80 bucks. Very nice. Today is the day when I am making a lot of money. Okay, so this trade that seems to be going into the negative side, but nothing to worry because we have made a couple of good profits. Guys, I am not using any risk management, money management. I am not changing my amount. The reason behind is because I am taking back to back trades. I am not making any calculation on the basis of whether the trade was in the positive side or in the negative side, but you have to. And if you want to learn about that one, if you want to know about that one, how to make calculation, you can ask me, as I have already discussed with Mr. Akpak. So still, in case if you have any doubt, either you can scroll back or you can ask me. Our last trade went into the negative side. No problem. Okay, no problem. So we will try to hunt a couple of more. Okay, so Yogesh ji is saying, sir, best trading time composite indexes. Yogesh ji, for this one, the best which I can suggest is like there is no such timing like when you will be getting profits or when you will be getting only losses. It's only completely depending on the way you are using the strategy. But as per my observation, as per my experience, I believe that there is a a bit more fluctuation when the US market, the New York session, which is opening at 7 p.m. I believe during that session when it is about to open, like from 6:30 to 7:30 or 7:45, fluctuation is a bit more high. And it's not like that during that time you can't make profit. All you just need to observe the market. Sometime you might need to make some changes with the time frame of your trade, and you will be able to see some profits. And if you talk about the best time is only the time when you are completely free and focused. I mean to say that sometimes people are saying that I was having my dinner, or I was having my lunch, I was having a conversation with my friends, I was sitting with my friends, and I was sitting with my family, I was watching TV. Or the worst scenario, I just woke up in the midnight just to have some water or just to use restroom, and I took my phone along with me and I started taking trades. And the first trade was not positive because I was a bit dizzy. The second trade was not positive because I was occupied, and then I started moving to I was pressurized, so I started moving towards the recovering my funds, and the whole night I was pissed off because on one side I was dizzy, I was not able to focus much, but on another side I was pressurized, and as a result I made some negative results, and that is what we call over trading. So that is the reason we always suggest, whenever you are completely focused, only trade during this time duration. If you talk about my timing, as per Indian Standard Timing, I am starting my trading day somewhere around 11 or 11:30 a.m. and I just complete my trading session max to max, guys, max to max 6 p.m. That is the max. I'm only going live, whenever I'm going live, I'm taking trades from 7 to 8 in Hindi session, 6:30 to 7:30 in English session. Most of the time, this is the only scenario when I'm taking trades after 6 p.m. 99.99% time, I just close my day before 6 because I just touch the target which I want to achieve, and I just say goodbye to this market, and I came back next day. Okay, although I can see the session in the recording, but in this only live session I love to connect to you. I'm happy to see that, Abhinavji, that you are very fond of my sessions and you love to join my session, so I'm happy to see, and I wish you all the very best. And it's completely fine, sir, like you can leave if something is important there, because of course we are going to keep this session safe, and apart from that, again I'm going to live on coming Tuesday. Okay, so DS King ji is saying sir आपका लो maximum कितना loss trade हुए हैं. DS King ji is asking me that, okay, so Mahajana signal broke. Let's so look for the Mahajantram. DS King ji, just give me a second, I'll answer your question. Yes, Aryan, there was a signal at this level and there is another signal also, but the completion was not there. But let's see how it goes. Okay, I'll be honest, DS King ji, so he want to know that how many losses I have faced in a single row back to back. So sir, what I am doing in that scenario, like it's not like that I haven't faced such scenarios, or I am always making profits. Sometimes everybody is making some negative results, but how I am trading is the max to max I have faced 3 trades in a row in a negative side. The reason behind is, whenever I am trading on any asset, any specific asset, and back to back I face 3 negative results, either I'll take a break for 10 to 20 minutes or 15 minutes, or I'll switch the asset, or I'll change the strategy, or I'll change the time of the trade, or the last one, I'll move to the demo account to check what is the issue with my strategy. So maximum 3 negative trades and I am out of the market for at least 10 to 15 minutes, or I am out of from that specific asset for next 30 minutes. The reason behind is what I believe, what I think, like the way I am thinking about that specific asset or that specific time, that there is a possibility that there is some market news, something happened in the market which I am not aware about. So it can take max to max 10 to 15 minutes either to reach out to me, because everything is well connected with social media. So of course I'll be getting an update. Or if the news is not that much big that I'll be getting the information, so of course that fluctuation is going to stay into the market hardly for 10 to 15 minutes. So rather than diving into a sea where there is a tsunami or something like that, I'll just sit and look at the waves, how everything is going on. Once everything will get stable, again I'll start diving, means again I'll start trading. I hope you got the answer. Okay, Aryan, let's see. Yogesh, no problem at all, Yogesh. So we made one more negative trade. Let's see what was the reason. Okay, so if we would have opened a trade at this level, of course that could go into the positive side, but now I believe that the volatility is a bit high, because see guys, you can see that it went into the upward direction and suddenly it came into the downward. Let me see if there was a resistance level. No, resistance level was also a bit high. No problem. Down signal in crypto at crypto. Abhinavji, signal can be there, but the reason behind is that, see, market went into the upward direction and then downward, so it's a bit dicey. So we will not be taking a trade for on that for now, but we will be looking for hunting for more signal. Okay. Okay, so there is a comment from Yogesh. Last days were incredibly tough for me as a trader. I felt an overwhelming amount of stress that completely disturbed my trading psychology, even decision wrong, and as a result losing $60. Yogesh, you see, this is something like which every trader has to go through. If trust me guys, like when I started my trading journey, like somewhere around 4.5 years ago, I was also facing some scenarios, something like that. But then I came to a conclusion that slow and steady, like as there is a quote that slow and steady always win the race. So trading is also something similar to that. Trading is like a marathon. If you take it as a sprint that you will try to make a lot of money in a single day, of course you will be able to make, but how much you want to make, if you are not sure about that one, you will be finding a situation when you have already made a lot of money, but to make it a bit more, in the greed of that one, you will keep on wiping out your complete portfolio, and that will include your profit plus your capital also. So always stay calm. I know whenever the money is going on, I know it's your hard-earned money, you have struggled a lot to earn it and then to make it more. I completely understand, but sir, try to understand one thing. If things are not going good, rather than keep on trying, stay calm, look for something like what is the reason behind it. Like it's like if you're having a high fever, so rather than keep on moving here and there, if you find that what is the reason, that will be more easy for you to get the perfect medicine and cure it. Trading is also something similar to that. Find the reason, whether my strategy is not working, whether the market is not good, whether there is some market update, market news, something is there, or the simplest reason which I am always giving to me whenever I am facing some negative results, it's not my day. So rather than wiping out everything, I'll stay calm, I'll just observe the market and close the day. Okay, down signal AUD versus CAD. sir, the signal is a bit old, but no problem. Yeah, that is a bit old, Abhinav. I'm so sorry, but I will not be able to take the trade. If I would have reached the market, or I would have opened this asset at this level or this level, of course I would have opened. But at this level, it's already 2 to 3 candles, so that signal might not be. Yogi ji, my name is Kunal Kapoor. Okay, so guys, one last information, as I can see that it's hardly 2 to 3 minutes to wind up this session. So there is one more piece of information which I want to share, that you can also check the market news, market updates, and with the help of that market information you can make some extra money. You can trade, and the economic calendar, the market news, you can check on the investing.com or Yahoo Finance. For now, just only go for 3-star news. Just when you will go to the investing.com, in the tab of economic calendar, you will be able to understand that what the 3 stars I am talking about. And once make sure that you adjust the time zone as per your country, so that will be giving you exact timing that when the news is going to come as per your time zone, so that you do not need to calculate, or you will not miss anything. I'll repeat the websites, the 3 websites I have talked about. The first one is Investopedia, the second one is that was for the information sources, the second 2, that is for the economic calendar information, the market news update. The first one is economic Yahoo Finance, and the second one is investing.com. So make sure you explore these 2 websites also. How you can use them, if you want to learn about that one, of course you can connect in our next sessions. Mention in the comment section. I'll try to cover a couple of things in my session as well. And one more information that might be useful for you guys, if you have reached on the expert level, so there is a opportunity, there is a service which is given by us that is free of cost. We have a team of analysts, so we will be conducting Zoom sessions with you guys. That is going to be 1-to-1 session, 30-minute session, where we will be guiding you with everything, and that is going to be a 2-way communication. So if you will be having any doubt, you do not need to write something in comments, you can directly ask them. And the best part is that service is going to be free of cost. You do not need to pay anything ever to anyone. So far that is only available for the expert level. So if you have reached to the expert level, make sure you take benefit of that one. Make sure you update your contact number on the account. In case you have updated but you missed the call, the best which I can suggest is drop a message or email to the support team by stating that you need some help in trading. Please raise a callback request. We will receive once we will receive that request, we will come into the picture, we will give you a call, and then we will line up something for you. And again I'll repeat myself, that is going to be free of cost. Okay, so Hara Infotech ji having a question: how to control emotion and how to become a disciplined trader. Sir, the best which I can suggest is, like, we do not have that much time to explain a lot. Try to come with the target that how much you want to make and how much you want to lose also. Every day you are not going to make a profit, so there are going to be some days when you will be making some losses, so you should have a target of loss also, that I can bear that much loss, and that should be max to max 30 to 40 or 50% of your total capital. You can keep it lesser also if your capital is big. Okay, yeah, Aryan, I'm so sorry buddy, I am missing the signals because now I have to wind up. Yogi is saying thank you so much for your strategy in the webinar which helped me to improve. Yogi, I am happy to know that you have learned it. And guys, this information for everyone. Every strategy is not assuring you that you are going to get 100% result, but make sure once you revise it, once you practice it, you can grab a hold on that one. So whatever you are learning from any source, try to revise it first, try to practice it first before taking it to the live. So guys, by this information I am just concluding this session. So thank you so much for joining. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I am leaving for the day. Thank you so much for joining. Stay safe, stay connected, and please subscribe the channel so to be a part of the family, and we will meet you in the next session. So Tuesday, Thursday in Hindi, Wednesday, Friday in English, 7 to 8 in Hindi, and 6:30 to 7:30 in English. So okay guys, bye bye, take care, cheers, sayonara.